Welcome to the Smart English class. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. G for goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. H for hat. H-A-T. Hat. I for ice. I-C-E. Ice. J for jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. M for moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. O for octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. P for pig. P-I-G. Pig. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R for rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. V for volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. W for watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. X for xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone. Y for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Kids Learning App Smart Kids free download description below.